Hi there, Laura here. Today I am going to do a Valentine's Day look since it is Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day, everybody. We don't really do a lot for Valentine's Day. At the most we might remind each other that it's Valentine's Day by saying, you know, happy Valentine's Day. We don't do much in the way of Valentine's Day. To me, Valentine's Day looks should be soft and romantic, so I'm not doing anything bright red, or I'm not doing anything particularly dramatic. I'm going to do a bit of brown and a bit of pink and a bit of glitter, because to me, glitter and pink mean Valentine's. So I'm going to start off with just a brush from Essentials. This is an EO2, and I'm going to get a transition colour, so any basic transition colour that you like to use for you. I like to use a warm transition for the most part because of my warm skin tone. And I have already done all my base. My base has been on for a while because I had to go out this morning. I didn't have time to do my look completely and film it because I knew I wanted to film. So my base has been on for a while, so that might not be perfect anymore, but it's good enough in real life. And then I would need a slightly smaller brush. And I'm going to go into this warm brown here, and I'm going to put that in the crease. In the outer V. And keeping it nice and soft, so I'm making sure that it's blended. And I'm going to go into a slightly cooler brown. So I'm going to go into this one down here. And deepen up the outside edge. And again, blend out the edges. And I haven't talked about which palette I'm using or anything because it doesn't matter what palette. I'm sure you've got browns and a pink somewhere, so it doesn't actually matter which particular thing that I'm using. It will be in the description box, but for the purpose of this video, it doesn't actually matter. And then I'm going to get a packing brush and I'm going to go into some pink. I'm going to go into this colour pink here, which is kind of a raspberry type of pink. Goes really well with my lipstick actually, just realised that that pink goes very well with my lipstick colour. So just use a flat packing brush to put that on, and I'm just going to tidy up the brown a little bit because I got a bit over excited about pink. Then I'm going to go into this shimmery pink here. It's a lovely, nice, romantic looking pink to me. Very pretty. Oops. Dropping the palettes. And I'm going to go into some gold, so I think I want this gold here. This is a very large palette, so it looks like this. Well, I've got an option of several different golds here, but I think it's the gold that I want. And I'm going to put this, hang on, make some room because I'm getting too many palettes here because I've used 4 different palettes now. I'm going to put this between the pink. It's not working. And first of all, I'm going to get a little bit of glitter glue, and I'm just using my Essence glitter primer. And I'm going to put a little wee bit in between where the brown and the pink go together. And then I'm going to get some of that gold and I'm going to put it over there. And I'm going to do the same with the other side. And then I'm going to get my Designer Brands glitter liner. And I'm going to put this along the socket there, just in the crease. Can't see what I'm doing. I'll do this side first. So I'm joining it up to the gold over there. So it looks like this. Can you see that? I can see it in the mirror, but I don't know whether you can see it in the viewfinder or not. It's just a little bit of sparkle, just to add something to the look. And then for the inner corner, I'm not sure if this is going to be light enough, so I will try it and see. I'm going to try this one here, which is a gold, sorry, it's a It's a pink with a bit of a gold reflex. See if you can see it on my finger at all. Don't know whether you can, but it might not be light enough. Yeah, I'm going to have to go in with a lighter colour for that bit. And because I want quite a soft look, I'm going to do a brown eyeliner. So I'm going to go get my brown eyeliner because of course I never bring everything I need over. And hopefully you could hear me because of course I didn't put my microphone on and my palette was on top of it, so I might have been a bit muffled. So I'm going to put my brown eyeliner on. And I'm also going to run it underneath. I'm going to get my little smudger brush and go into this colour here, so it's a nice warm brown. I'm just going to run that underneath it a little bit. And literally smudge it out with the smudger brush. And then I'm going to put my mascara on. So I'm just going to use my Maybelline Volume Express and my L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic. So I'll do that and then come back. And I'm going to use my actual highlighter that, well, some of the highlighter that I've got on my cheeks, which is the Sofx Revolution palette. And I'm going to use that pink one for the actual highlight. Such a pretty shade. I want to put some more on. I don't need any more on. And there is my, I'll take my glasses off the top of my head, might be a good idea. So there is my romantic Valentine's Day look. Oops, I've just blobbed mascara all over me. Yeah, all fixed. So here is my romantic Valentine's Day look. To me, it should be a bit more subtle, because if you're going on a date, I think subtle is quite good for a date. For Valentine's, and you don't want too much lipstick on either, because no doubt there'll be some kissing going on. So that's my idea for Valentine's Day. So I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone, thanks for watching.